How to record on Snapchat while playing music with headphones. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. So let's just play the music for now first. So I'm gonna go to the music player for now and play a certain music. So let's first play a music over here. It might take a while depending on the kind of connection and the UI you have. So let's wait and let's just play a random song. So I've started playing the song, and then we can simply go back to Snapchat and simply click a video or a photo over here. So as we click a photo or a video, what happens over here is just record a video over here for now. So I'm gonna click a random video. Click a random video, what happens is you can simply see, you can scroll down the status bar and you can still see the music is still playing on. So you can record on Snapchat even while playing the music with headphones or without headphones. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.